Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 14 of our physics course, Electromagnetic Induction, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with physics. Let's dive into Chapter 14, Electromagnetic Induction, an essential aspect of physics. In this overview, we dive into production of electricity by magnetism, induced EMFs and generation methods, factors affecting induced EMF, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, Lenz's law, problem solving with Faraday's law and Lenz's law, production of eddy currents, laminated iron cores in electrical devices, motional EMF, mutual inductance and self-inductance, AC generator components and operation, A. See electric motor features, back EMF in electric motors. Transformer construction and operation, turns ratio in transformers, use of transformers for efficient electricity transfer. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. In this first lesson, students will describe the production of electricity by magnetism, focusing on the fundamental principle of converting magnetic energy into electrical energy. You'll learn that induced electromotive forces can be generated in two ways, by relative movement, the generator effect, and by changing a magnetic field, the transformer effect. This lesson introduces the basic concepts of electromagnetic induction. Students will infer the factors affecting the magnitude of induced EMF, understanding how factors like the rate of change of magnetic flux influence the generation of induced EMF. This lesson will state Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, explaining the principle that a changing magnetic field induces an electromotive force in a conductor. Students will account for Lenz's law to predict the direction of an induced current, relating it to the principle of conservation of energy and understanding its role in ensuring energy conservation. You'll apply Faraday's law and Lenz's law to solve problems, reinforcing the practical applications of these principles in various scenarios. This lesson will explain the production of eddy currents, identifying the magnetic and heating effects of eddy currents and understanding how they are generated in conductive materials. Students will explain the need for laminated iron cores in electric motors, generators, and transformers, understanding how laminated cores reduce energy losses and improve efficiency by minimizing eddy currents. This lesson will explain motional electromotive force, teaching students to compute the potential difference across the ends of a rod or wire moving through a magnetic field in a simple way. Students will define mutual inductance and self-inductance and their unit, the Henry. This lesson introduces the concepts of inductance and the fundamental units used in electromagnetic devices. You'll describe the main components of an AC generator and explain how it works, understanding the principles behind the generation of alternating current in electrical generators. This lesson will describe the main features of an AC electric motor and the role of each feature, helping students understand how the motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Students will explain the production of back electromotive force in electric motors, understanding the counter-electromotive force generated during motor operation. You'll describe the construction of a transformer and explain how it works, focusing on the principles of energy transfer and voltage transformation in transformers. This lesson will identify the relationship between the ratio of the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils and the ratio of primary to secondary voltages in transformers. Students will describe how step-up and step-down transformers ensure the efficient transfer of electricity along cables, understanding their role in adjusting voltage levels for transmission and distribution. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 14 and embark on this enriching journey of physics, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.